Okay, people, these stripes have gotten on my nerves. I've been intending to take them off for the longest time, and I have not. I haven't felt like starting this at all because I knew that it was gonna be time consuming, but I'm starting now, and that's how it's gonna start out right there. You can see I've already started here. So hopefully it's not as bad as it seemed. I don't think it's gonna be so bad.
The lie detector test determined that was a lie.
Because on the first day, I actually forgot my heat gun and I forgot to bring an eraser wheel. So I am hoping that today, with the eraser wheel in tow, I can do it all in one day. My plan was to take these two off today, these two tomorrow, and then just come back to that. So you can see how it's starting out. Top haven't been touched. Well, at least the back is coming off pretty good, because the front is not cooperating at all. So 2 days is going by. That and that. It's a hassle. There has to be a better eraser wheel than this. And so I'm gonna find out. We're gonna try something else. So I need at least 2 more eraser wheels. Polishing kit. Thank you. So I drove 20 minutes here when Advanced Auto Parts was right by the house, and they don't have one here. Ugh. Anyway, I'm on a mission. I'm gonna get this done. I hate to start a project and cut off in the middle. I hate it. I like to, when I start, I want to finish. All right, so now, back by the house. I'm way over here. So, how about here? We're gonna see, right? I don't see it right here. Bam. And they only have one. So I wasted a lot of time with this eraser wheel, not knowing that this one is the one. Now, as you can see, it goes right through. Like, wow.
Out of the hill.
It took me 4 days. On day 4, I washed and began to polish the car. I am pleased with the results. I like it so much better, so much better. And I didn't mention, so I'm going to be lowering the car and changing the braking system. So if you would comment, like, subscribe, especially subscribe and hit that bell so that you can see when I am doing those things. I would definitely appreciate it. Peace.